What happens in the split second after you click on a YouTube video? How does your favorite show magically appear on Netflix? The answer to all of this, and so much of our modern digital life, is a single word: server. But what exactly is a server? Is it a mysterious box in a high-tech bunker? A cloud of data floating in the sky? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand servers better than most people on the planet. And hey, if you end up learning something new, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. All right, let's demystify this. At its absolute core, a server is just a computer. Seriously, it's not some alien technology. It's a computer whose main purpose is to serve data to other computers, which we call clients. Your laptop, your smartphone, your smart TV. When they're accessing the internet, they are acting as clients. Think of it like a library. You, the client, walk into the library and ask the librarian, the server, for a specific book. The librarian finds that book on the shelves, the server's storage, and gives it to you. You didn't need to own the entire library. You just needed to request one specific item. That's exactly what happens online. When you type youtube.com into your browser, your computer sends a request to YouTube's server. The server finds all the data needed to display the YouTube homepage, the logo, the video thumbnails. The text and sends it all back to your browser, which then assembles it on your screen. All of this happens in the blink of an eye. Now, you might be thinking, if a server is just a computer, can my laptop be a server? And the answer is yes, absolutely. You could set up your own computer to host a website or a file-sharing service for your friends. However, the servers that power big companies like Google, Amazon, or Netflix are a little different from your average desktop. Why? It comes down to three key things: reliability, performance, and scalability. First, reliability. A server for a popular website needs to be on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. If it goes down, the website is offline, and that can mean losing customers and money. So these servers are built with highly reliable components. They often have redundant power supplies, so if one fails, another takes over instantly. They have special cooling systems to prevent overheating from running nonstop. Your laptop is designed to be turned off and take breaks. These machines are marathon runners built for endurance. Second, performance. Imagine thousands or even millions of people trying to watch the same viral video at the same time. That's a ton of requests hitting the server all at once. A regular computer would crash under that load. Servers are equipped with powerful processors, massive amounts of RAM, and super-fast storage like SSDs to handle this immense traffic without breaking a sweat. They are optimized for serving many requests simultaneously, not for running a single user's applications like your PC is. And third, scalability. As a service like TikTok grows, it needs more and more server power. Companies don't just buy one giant super powerful computer. Instead, they use what are called server farms or data centers. These are massive, secure buildings filled with racks upon racks of servers, thousands of them, all working together. If they need more power, they can simply add more servers to the racks. This is scalability, the ability to easily expand to meet growing demand. So, when you hear someone talking about the cloud, what they're really talking about are these massive data centers full of servers. Owned by companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, when you save a photo to the cloud, you're not sending it into the sky. You're sending a copy of that file to be stored on one of these servers in a data center, which could be located anywhere in the world. There are also different types of servers, specialized for different jobs. Web servers, like we've been discussing, serve websites. Mail servers handle sending, receiving, and storing emails. File servers are used within companies to store shared files. Game servers host multiplayer online games, keeping track of every player's position and actions in real time. Each one is a computer, but it's running specific software designed for its particular task. So, let's recap. A server isn't a magical black box. It's a powerful, reliable computer designed to be always on, handling requests from other computers, the clients. They live in huge data centers. They form the backbone of the internet, and they are the reason you can stream, shop, and connect with people all over the world. The next time you refresh your social media feed, Take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your request takes from your device, across the internet to a server hundreds or thousands of miles away, and back to you with the data you wanted, all in less time than it takes to snap your fingers. It's the unsung hero of our digital age. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful and want to understand more about the technology that shapes our world, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're the first to know when we post new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.